Good morning to everyone at today's public hearing of the Vetting Commission, established under Law Number 65 on the external evaluation of judges and candidates for the position of judge on the Supreme Court of Justice. I'm Scott Bales, the chair of the commission, and I declare this session open. The hearing is being conducted under the Commission's Rules of Organization and Functioning as part of the evaluation process. The subject of today's hearing is Lilia Potînga, a candidate for the position of member of the Disciplinary Board of Judges. The evaluation in relation to Judge Potînga was carried out pursuant to Law Number 26 of the year 2022 on measures related to the selection of candidates for the position of member in the self-administration bodies of judges and prosecutors. Ms. Potînga has served as a judge at the Yungeni District Court, where she has worked since 2012. Judge Potînga, welcome. I'm joined by 5 other commission members. To my left are Vice Chair Andre Bevel and Commissioners Lavely Perling and Yuri Gaskin. To my right are commission members Lillian Ansu and our newest member, Willem Brouwer. Judge Brouwer, welcome. The commission is also assisted by members of its secretariat. Behind you, you may see in the room also some members of the media or the public. Also present is a photographer who, as you may have noted, was taking some photographs just at the beginning of the hearing. The hearing will be conducted with interpretation between Romanian and English. To allow for accurate interpretation, I ask everyone to speak clearly and slowly. Only one person should speak at a time. The proceedings are being recorded. The recordings of the Commission's public hearings generally will be available online at the Commission's website, www.vettingmd.eu, within 3 days after the hearing. I will start by briefly reviewing the evaluation process for Judge Potînga. The Commission initiated its evaluation on the 22nd of March of this year by notifying Judge Potînga by email and asking her to complete and return an ethics questionnaire and the financial declarations required by Law Number 26. She returned the completed declarations and questionnaire on the 25th of March. As part of evaluating a subject's ethical and financial integrity, the Commission also obtains information from many other sources, such as the National Integrity Authority, the State Fiscal Service, the General Inspectorate of the Border Police, other public institutions, financial institutions, and open sources. The Commission assesses information it obtains for relevance and reliability. On the 7th of May, the Commission asked Judge Potînga to provide additional information by May 16th to clarify certain matters. She provided the answers and additional documents by the identified date. On the 30th of May, the Commission asked Judge Potînga to provide additional information by the 6th of June. She did so. On the 19th of June, the Commission asked Potînga to provide some additional information by the next week. Again, she responded within the time limit. On July 11th, the Commission asked Judge Potînga to provide additional information by July 15th. Once again, she provided answers and documents within the time deadline. On the 6th of September 2024, we notified Judge Potînga that the Commission had finalized its investigation and had not identified any areas of doubts about her compliance with the ethical and financial criteria. We also invited her to attend today's hearing. According to Article 28, Paragraph 3 of the Commission's rules, if the Commission, based on the information it has collected and reviewed, does not have doubts about the subject's compliance with the integrity criteria, it shall send the subject a written notice and set a hearing, at least 10 days after the notice, where it will ask the subject to confirm the accuracy of the information provided by the subject and announce that, absent its receipt of new information, the Commission will adopt a decision on passing the evaluation. Judge Potînga, do you wish to make any corrections or additions to the answers that you have provided to the Commission's request for information?
I have nothing else to add. I confirm that what I have declared is true.
And I think you may have answered this by your answer, but just to be clear, are the answers that you provided to the Commission and the information that you provided in your 5-year declaration and in the ethics questionnaire that you returned on the 25th of March still accurate as of today?
Yes, they are still accurate as of today.
Thank you.
Judge Potînga, would you like to make a brief statement before we conclude today's hearing?
Looking back at the ethical and financial assessment that I've been through, I can say that the assessment process is a complex one and a thorough one, but at the same time, it is essential to build the trust of the society in the judiciary. In this context, I can state with certainty that integrity, together with the other main principles, independence, impartiality, honesty, transparency, are things that are mandatory. And this helps fulfill our duties in accordance with the law. And I've done this in my activity as a judge. I would like to thank everyone, and I would like to wish success to those who are part of this evaluation process.
That brings us to the end of today's hearing. Judge Potînga, thank you again for your submissions and answers to the Commission's questions. After the hearing, the Commission will adopt an evaluation decision stating its conclusion whether the subject meets the criteria for ethical and financial integrity under Law Number 26. The Commission will strive to complete its evaluation decision and to announce its conclusion as soon as possible. It generally seeks to do so within a month after a subject's hearing. Today's hearing is now closed, and I wish everyone a good day.